The algae washer error code 3H indicates a water temperature sensor fault, which can be caused by a faulty thermostat or a defective pressure switch. To resolve this issue, checking the thermostat is a good starting point. This can be done by switching off the washer, unplugging it, and removing the back panel to access the thermostat. The old thermostat can then be removed and replaced with a new one, which is attached to the wiring and docked back into its original position. The back panel can then be refitted, the washer slid back against the wall, and the appliance switched back on. Alternatively, the issue may lie with the pressure switch, which can be checked by unplugging the washer, removing the top panel, and disconnecting the pressure hose and wiring to the pressure sensor. The old sensor can then be removed and replaced with a new one, with the wiring and pressure hose reconnected, and the top panel reinstalled before plugging the washer back in. By following these steps, the error code 3H on the algae washer can be resolved.